there, pretty girl. She's not a talker. Anyway, today I will be talking about beauty brands that focus on no-waste packaging and eco-friendly ingredients so that you can feel good about splurging on yourself for more reasons than just one. I'm Blanco, professional surfer, yogi, vegan foodie, and an all-around huge fan of this blue planet we call home. This show is all about the small changes we can make to our daily lives and routines today to ensure a better tomorrow for us and future generations. This is Eco-Friendlier. Today's featured brands are leading the beauty industry with sustainable packaging and eco-friendly ingredients because they understand the importance of giving the earth just as much TLC as we give ourselves. Just ask Halo Hand. Halo Hand is out to change nail polish's toxic reputation. Instead of making their polishes from chemicals that could be damaging to both your nails and the environment, Halo Hands crafts polishes that are 10-free. 10-free means that Halo Hands leaves out the 10 most common and harshest chemicals found in nail polish. These colors are also vegan and cruelty-free, which suits my vegan lifestyle to a T. But beyond the ingredients, these colors look great too. Okay, it's time for an outfit change. Let's go with Halo Pink. I'm not a professional manicurist, so luckily Halo Hands has me covered with their manicurists in box sets, which include top and base coats, nail files, and remover. Between yoga and surfing, my hands put in a lot of work. With Halo Hands, I feel confident that this color will last, while its impact on the environment will not. Living my life as a vegan means more than just paying attention to what I eat. It also means paying attention to the products I use on my hair and skin. Thankfully, everything from Love, Beauty, and Planet follows a set of ethical guidelines that prioritizes earth-loving practices, including recycled plastic bottles, fast rinse conditioners, and ethically sourced ingredients from fair-wage jobs around the world. These products are vegan and cruelty-free too, which is music to my ears, and so is this. Not gonna lie, these showerless mists are an amazing refresher when you don't have time to jump in the shower. They also save on water consumption, which is a big part of Love, Beauty, and Planet's ethos. Okay, this stuff smells so good. Anybody else need a quick rinse? That's the look of sustainability. I mean, it's actually just a box, but that's kind of the point. With so much single-use plastic clogging our oceans and landfills these days, companies like Youth to the People are devising alternative ways to package their products with the Earth's health in mind. Youth to the People makes use of recycled paper sourced through the responsible Wisconsin forestry practices. Obviously, the outside is eco-friendlier, and the vegan stuff inside is too. This is the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. We're talking all-natural, plant-derived ingredients, some of which have been used in Eastern medicine for millennia. Because my life is centered around surfing, I take the ocean's health very seriously. And I love that Ren Beauty does too, and these guys mean business. They've set a goal to be completely zero waste by the end of 2021. Ren's product line uses natural origin ingredients to leave skin looking as bright as a sun-dappled wave. Ren Beauty has serums, toners, shampoo, body wash. They basically do it all with one eye towards sustainability and the other towards beauty products that yield results. From the outside, these look like your standard beauty products. Inside, they are packed with eco-conscious ingredients, all wrapped up in packaging that does its best to reduce environmental impact. The earth is sort of the ultimate looker. You don't need to add anything to it to make it more beautiful, but you can detract from its luster if you fail to bring mindfulness into your purchasing habits. Try your best to be aware of what you're using and how it affects the world around you. Thank you for watching Eco-Friendlier. I'll see you next time only on Shopflix.